Welcome to the ESCO Roadshow. This episode, we find ourselves at the Fujitsu General America headquarters and training center in Pine Brook, New Jersey. This facility serves as the central hub for Fujitsu's operations in North America, focusing on air conditioning and other HVAC solutions, as well as housing the technical service department. Fujitsu was founded in 1935 as a telecommunications manufacturing company. By the early 1970s, they began developing split-system air conditioners. Into the 1980s, they moved into the first multi-split air conditioning system, and by the late 1990s, they'd introduced their first VRF, or variable refrigerant flow system, utilized in commercial air conditioning products.
Hi, I'm Howard Weiss, and I'm here at Fujitsu's national headquarters. This is Tom Grunstra, their national training director. Tom, I have a couple questions for you. You work with schools all over the country, and you see deficiencies in the technical education process. Can you elaborate on some of the things you don't see being taught that should be?
So, Howard, I'm going to kind of redirect your question just a little bit to who needs the teaching. Because I think one of the things we have to do is reach out more to the instructors, because the instructors need to know the content of what's happening with today's equipment. And today's equipment is high efficiency, high technology equipment. It's not the day of opening the cabinet and pushing the contactor to see what runs. And so we need our not only our workforce and our technicians to know how to work on that, but in order to enable the future generations to be up to speed with it, we need our instructors to have a full knowledge of this. If the instructors don't have a full knowledge, then they're going to have fear. And if they have fear of a product, then their students are going to have the same fear, because they're going to transfer that fear to their students. So if the instructor doesn't have the capability of communicating the value of the high efficiency, high tech products, then the students aren't going to leave with that value and understanding either.
In other industries, we'll see, for example, automotive, your local car dealer, they go to classes every year to learn about the new technology, upgrades, changing. Wouldn't it be beneficial if every year HVAC educators and trainers can learn about the new models, new technology?
Yeah, I don't think I can quite equate it to a car, but I tell you what, a car, if you buy the right one, it makes you comfortable and gets good gas mileage. Maybe it's even electric or hybrid, right? They started selling that stuff. They had to have the people in the market to work at the dealerships to service it. We're not quite that good in the HVAC industry, right? We got to get better. So yeah, I agree with you, we do. At the same time, as we do this, we have to figure out how to create this so it's a routine. I think that's a great idea. How do you make it a routine so you now know, hey, we've got a new model. How do we do that? It's a good suggestion.
And Tom, lastly, the reason I ask is we have a lot of school administrators who don't realize how much is changing in the heating and air conditioning industry. We have teachers who are desperate, wanting to get out and get training. So whether it be at the National HVAC Education Conference, here at Fujitsu's training centers, your local supply house, there's great training out there. Can we agree that everyone, if they want to stay current, relevant, needs to get trained?
So, it's interesting you say that, because it's not what's coming out that's new, it's already here. The technology is here today that they need to work on. It's been out for 20 years, and we have to make sure that everybody that's teaching in the HVAC industry isn't teaching 20-year-old material, but is teaching 2-year-old or 1-year-old or 2-day-old material.
Well, Tom, we thank you. We thank Fujitsu for everything that you do for the HVAC industry.
Thank you, Howard. Appreciate your coming to visit us. Have a great day.